What's up everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube channel. So introduce myself at first. My name is Miltan Shaikh and I am doing content writing and I am doing also a private sector job. So why I am starting or why I am recording this video because of my English, my spoken English. When I was 22 or 23, that's I created maybe 2019 I created this channel. My name's Miltan Shaikh, but I don't use it since 2019, and I didn't upload any video, but now I am recording this video today because of my lack of spoken English. Is very boring because I am very stuck every point, but I want to share something with my YouTube family. 2019, where I admitted I took a admission spoken English class. That's name Days of Education, and where I learned more about spoken English, and always I have a crazy mindset because of I want to learn spoken English and I want to learn English. So that's why every day and every time my crazy mind says, yes Milton, you can do it and you can start spoken English. But when I was admission on a spoken English class, that time I didn't did anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't speak English. I didn't remember any vocabulary. Every day I went this class and came back home. This was my daily routine. Today I am very stuck, but no problem. I know and I believe in karma strongly. So one day I'll speak fluently. I will be. So why I am recording in this video, that's is the big reason. So improve my spoken English, improve my communication skill. Today is my first video on YouTube channel, and every day I am recording a single video for 10 minutes and discuss about any kind of topics, and recording myself and uploaded. I will be upload on YouTube channel. I didn't want to any millions of viewers. I didn't want to any millions of subscribers. It's this video for my personal growth and my improvement in English. That's why I am recording this. So I set up a routine. You can see I am rotated here. Every day I am 10 minutes practicing my 10-minute spoken English in front of camera. I don't need any grammar, and I don't need practicing any vocabulary. My daily routine will be same. When my job duty went off, duties end, then I come to in front of this my mobile phone camera, and every day I recording myself, same process, and pick a topic and discuss about that. So this is my English journey starting from today. So this is a big challenge for me, to me, nobody else, and I hope and I strongly believe one day I will be speaking fluently and very bravely. This is my dreams, this is my journey. So one thing I am saying about that, when I am speaking English, I understanding everything. When actually when I was watching any English video like movie, web series, any animation, any drama, and when I am listening any kind of songs, English songs, when I am reading any kind of books, those time I have no problem with understanding English. But when I speaking English, sorry, that's a very crazy thing, but when I want to speaking English, that time I am very stuck, and I can't proceed, and I can't talk fluently. You can see now I am that's was going. So yeah, so this is my message for me, not others. That's Milton, you can speak fluently and you can do it. So yeah, I will be. So this is my first video, and I am continuously recording every day on a single video, 10 minutes, and I am discussing about this any kind of topic. So if anybody watching this video, my YouTube channel, I know it is very crazy, it is very shameful, not shameful, it is very crazy thing, because of very madness. I don't speak fluently, but I am trying. If anybody watching my video, if I am wrong, my pronunciation is wrong, and my grammatical thing is wrong, so you can comment below and correct me. I am never shy. I am very happy. I will be very happy for your support, and please, if you are thinking this process will be one day will be is working, so you can like my video. I don't to ask to share my video or subscribe my channel, but if you are think this process are working for me, you can comment below and give me some tips for improvement my spoken English. That's I am talking here. So yeah, next day I will become for a new for a camp. I will be come for a new video and uploading myself. This is today is my 14 September 14 September 2024. So yeah, this is I am recording video already 10 minutes 22 seconds over there. So today is over. Good night everyone, have a nice dream.